Take a look at how design breathes new life into this once ordinary space. The car porch and foyer area receive a complete makeover. The sleek new look instantly elevates the entrance. Step inside and you'll notice the custom TV feature wall. The space is enhanced with graceful curves that add a modern, elegant touch. And for the ultimate entertainment experience, we designed the room with RGB lighting to bring out a vibrant karaoke lounge vibe. It's a home that's not just stylish, it's thoughtfully reimagined for modern living.